Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating property of circles involving chords and the center. We will understand how they relate to each other and how to solve problems using this knowledge. Before we dive in, let's clarify two key terms. A chord is simply a straight line connecting any 2 points on the circle's edge. The center is the middle point, from which the distance to the edge is always constant. Here is the main rule we are learning today. If you draw a perpendicular line from the center of a circle to any chord, that line cuts the chord into 2 equal halves. We say it bisects the chord. Let's look at this visually. Here we have a chord AB and center O. The line OM is perpendicular to the chord. Because of this 90-degree angle, the length AM becomes exactly equal to BM becomes the midpoint. Why does this happen? If we connect the center to the ends of the chord, we create 2 triangles. Since the radii are equal and they share a common perpendicular side, these 2 triangles are identical. Therefore, the bases must be equal. This property allows us to form a right-angled triangle. The 3 sides are the radius r, the perpendicular distance from the center d, and exactly half of the chord's length, which we will call x. Using the Pythagorean theorem on that triangle, we get a powerful formula. The radius squared equals the distance squared plus the half chord squared. Remember to always use half of the chord length in this formula. Let's try a problem. We have a circle with a radius of 10 and the chord is 6 units away from the center. Plugging these into our formula, we find that half the chord is 8, so the full chord length is 16. Here is a different case. We know the radius is 13 and the total chord length is 24. First, we divide the chord by 2 to get 12. Then, using our formula, we solve for the distance and find it is 5 units. Another interesting fact is that equal chords are always the same distance from the center. If you have 2 chords of the same length, they will be equidistant from the center point. There is also a relationship between length and distance. The longer a chord is, the closer it is to the center. Conversely, shorter chords are pushed farther away towards the edge. To wrap up, remember these key points. The perpendicular from the center always bisects the chord. This creates a right triangle, allowing us to use Pythagoras' theorem to find missing lengths. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.